Okay, so today's kind of fun and exciting. I'm doing a blower door test on this stone house, and I got the air barrier installed and stripped out for strength and to keep fasteners out of the air barrier in the future. And this is a loft, and I got a lot of the electrical cabling situated after I got the wood strips installed, and that's been pretty good. It's a little messy in here. We got a scaffold in here and stuff for rolling around. We're gonna test it with these windows that I got from the like secondhand building materials store, but we have a complete set of pretty nice Enersign windows and a door here on the west that's going in. So I chose this door for the blower door because this one I'm gonna change when my windows get here. We're gonna have a tilt turn walkout, like window, if you will, here. And this one's also changing. And I've been running this, and I've been having a hard time getting the sensitivity of this machine to record any air exchange. So the best I've been able to do is crack a window over here to increase the airflow, because the fan is just not getting enough air to be able to show a flow at all. So that's like great, and I'm excited, and it's also a little frustrating because I know that there is airflow. For instance, this like window design is horrible. So this little crack right here, and it's taped to the side of it, but this little crack right here, and then even around on this side, is leaking air, and I can feel it. And you can get it with a smoke pen and everything. So I know that there's little leaks like that are supplying some amount of cubic foot per minute, but obviously not enough to register on the blower door. So I have a window over here that I've been operating just a little bit open to verify that the blower door is functioning properly and that the air leakage is just so low that it doesn't register. Here's another example of that situation, and here the window taping doesn't cover right here where I'm sticking my finger in. So there's like flaws, but it's extremely tight, and I think I'm going to have to get another system in here, and I'll probably do that after I replace the doors and windows in the future. So that'll be a ways off. But that will be a system that's designed to test air conditioning ducts, because it will be a lot more sensitive than this one that's designed to test an entire building. So the duct air leakage testing machine is what we'll use next time, because a whole blower door situation, it's just not sensitive enough for this small building. I'm looking for something like 22 CFM at 50 pascals, which is extremely low. The lowest I've seen this machine run at is I've been able to get it to show about 120. So obviously that's way more than my goal, but that's of course with the window open, and that's the best I've been able to do so far. So here's the example of that. So it's giving me, the reading is low, but it's also oscillating to, that's not helping at all. How about now? Okay, the sunlight is intense. Let me try this again. So I'm getting 120, 119, 50 pascals. And that's with the window open. So we're gonna go give that a little change here, just to try and see how low we can go. This of course is pouring a ton of air in here, which is hilarious because it's the only way I can check to see that the blower door is actually giving a reading. It looks like that was too much. It didn't keep reading. Anyway, this is what I'm working on today, and I'm really glad the building is nice and airtight. I have leaks right in the places that I thought I had leaks. Yeah, I bet it's 100 CFM is the minimum. So we're about 111 right now with that window open. So yeah, I have leaks where I thought I had leaks. All of this is really bomber. There's like, it's not even trying to leak anywhere. We detailed all of the staples that got installed and got a little miss here and there where it didn't get caught by the, like, I love to staple here and here, like I can feel one right here, because then it goes under the tape. If you staple out in the field and you pull on the barrier, it can make a tiny little leak. Those leaks are really small. This big poofy part here is a window that I'm going to cut out when my window package comes. And then you can see this one, the body is unstapled. You can see, and it's pulling on it pretty good. This is why I put all the wood slats on ahead of time. It's like a giant reverse balloon in here. Anyway, like I said, I've only been able to detect leaks in these places around the window that I knew about, and it's looking pretty good. I don't feel any air moving anywhere. For the test, I have taped over, which is permissible, the intake and extraction on the other side outside there. I taped those over and sealed them off. These pipes here, those are sealed off on the outside in order to make that not be a huge leak, because it wouldn't be fair when we're pulling this big vacuum on the building. So it is permissible to cover the ERV ducts for testing. So yeah, this whole situation up here, I have another video on that tape job there. You know, I went back and went after it and made sure it was closed completely, and didn't have any gaps in it. So I guess the next stop is going to be sheetrock in this project. So like I said, I'll come back later with a more accurate machine to do this test again after I install the new windows and doors. But that's what I did today. Thanks. Bye.